Today, through this story, we will learn how to pronounce English words correctly. There was a young man who was very ambitious, with big dreams. He wanted to achieve a lot and become great, but he wanted to accomplish it all quickly. He always felt that he had very little time, so he wanted to fulfill his dreams as soon as possible. He tried many times to work hard and achieve quick success, but he failed every time. He would gain a bit of success but never achieved his desired results, which frustrated him greatly. He kept wondering what he was missing and why, despite working harder than others, he couldn't succeed as quickly. This question often troubled him. Slowly, he started realizing that perhaps he was unaware of the rules and secrets that could help him achieve success faster. The day he understood this, he began searching for someone who could teach him those principles and secrets in detail. One day, through a friend, he learned about a guru known far and wide for his wisdom and knowledge. The guru was known for understanding people's problems and solving them with intelligence and simplicity. He was also skilled at explaining even the most difficult concepts in simple words. Upon learning about the guru, the next day, the young man went straight to his ashram. The guru was a Buddhist monk. The young man greeted him and sat before him. The monk asked the reason for his visit, and the young man began speaking, "O sage, my dreams are big. I want to become and do a lot in life. I want to achieve great success, but I want to do it in a short time. I have tried hard many times to succeed quickly but never achieved my desired results. I feel I need to know those important principles and secrets of success to achieve big success in a short time. Can you teach me those principles and secrets in detail? I promise to follow them diligently." The monk saw a burning determination and passion in the young man's eyes. He was willing to work as hard as necessary and make great sacrifices. Looking into his eyes, the monk began to speak in a serious tone, "Today, I will tell you 8 principles. If you follow them with complete sincerity, you can achieve a 10-year goal in 10 months. But the condition is that you must have full faith and follow them diligently. The first principle is to open your mind to the possibility that it can be done, that work for a year can be completed in a month. Convince your mind of this, because until you fully believe internally that you can achieve a 10-year goal in 10 months, you won't take the necessary steps to do so. Any goal is completed in the mind before it is completed in the external world. Accept this possibility, just like a student who, despite not studying much throughout the year, immerses himself in study a month before the exam and works so hard that his results surprise everyone. If a student can achieve a year's worth of study in 1 month through hard work and focus, why can't you achieve your goals? The principles of success work equally for everyone. The second principle: disappear for 6 months. For the next 6 months, forget that you have anyone, forget your friends, relatives, and neighbors. No one will leave you if they're meant to stay. Just close all your doors for 6 months and distance yourself from all distractions. You need to disappear from the world for 6 months as if you were never there. Lock yourself with your mind, body, goals, and purpose for 6 months. 6 months isn't a long time. It may seem significant, but consider that you're doing this for yourself, not for others. If anyone, even a wealthy or influential person, is in the way talking idly, distance yourself. If friends or relatives call you out for leisure, say no, as your presence won't matter to them, but it will set you back in life. The third principle: find a true mentor. If you want to succeed quickly in any field and reach its top, don't waste your time with those who only have basic knowledge of that field. Instead, go directly to the person who has already reached the pinnacle of that field. Only they can teach you best how to reach the top. The fourth principle: set a clear and definite goal. Define what you need to achieve and in how much time. Your goal should be clearly written down. The fifth principle, create a detailed plan to achieve your goal. Identify the 3 most important tasks necessary to achieve your goal and break those tasks down further into smaller parts. The sixth principle, develop strong focus and discipline. The seventh principle, take responsibility and be accountable. The eighth principle, keep learning and embracing new things. The young man thanked the monk for his wisdom and left, now knowing what he needed to do to achieve quick success.